The only guarantee for failure is to stop trying. Success is not a race, but many short races one after another. So keep on trying until you make it. Hi everyone, welcome back to Personality for You. You know what? Many a time it happened that people came to me and asked me the same question, and that is, we can understand English, but when it comes to speak, we cannot speak or we stuck. So there is a good news for all of you. In this video, we are going to cover all those important points by which we can improve our English speaking skill. So let's start with the first and the very important point, and that is practice. Practice is the only way to learn any language. Think about the language that you speak. What is that language? Now tell me, how do you speak that language so well? Have you taken any grammar class? Have you done any course on that language? No, right? Let's treat English also like the same and try to speak English as much as you can. Just to improve your English, you must find the opportunity to speak English. So the next point is listen to the native speakers. We all know that the family we are born is do not speak English much. So what we can do is to speak like natives is to listen to natives. What I mean that you can listen to some English podcast, you can prefer some English movies. If you like to listen to music, you can also prefer listening to English music, which will definitely help you to speak like natives. Let's talk about the third point, and the point is speak slow and clearly. That's totally okay to sound slow, but it's more important for us to sound clearly. It happens when we try to speak English, we go in rush and we forget that our pitch and pace is so high. So right now, the motive should be speaking clearly and slowly. So the fourth point is learn some daily use phrases. Why it's important to learn daily use phrases? Because speaking English takes a lot of vocabulary. And when you are a beginner of speaking English, you need to learn phrases which will boost your confidence in terms of speaking English confidently. So make sure that you learn some phrases which helps you speaking English fluently. If you want, I will surely make some short videos over some daily use phrases in my upcoming videos. So the fifth and the very important point is to record yourself. Recording yourself is the best way to look at how do you sound when you speak English. After recording yourself, you can also improvise your body language, your tone, your modulation, and the other things that you want to improve. Let's quickly recap what we have learned in the video. So, practice speaking. Listen to the native speakers. Speak slowly and clearly. Learn some daily use phrases. And record yourself. So these points will definitely help you to bring change in your speaking English and to improve your speaking skills. Before I end this video, I would love to say to people out there who wanted to improve their English that never be afraid of making mistakes. Do not think what people will say, because there will be always somebody saying something about you. So do not stop yourself until you learn something. So keep on growing, keep on learning. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's comment the point that you like the most or you're going to use to improvise your English speaking. Till the time, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.